Today we're taking a look at this ESR iPhone 15 case. This one is the hybrid case that is compatible with MagSafe. So I just want to give you a quick view of what this case consists of. So it comes in this box. There's only the case in the box. And to insert the iPhone, it's very easy. You just have to slide it like any other transparent case. Just have to push the corners and you're done. Let's check the cutouts for the different buttons. So over here we have the switch, the silent switch. There's absolutely no protection, but there's a hole. I don't know if you can see, there's nothing over it. But for the buttons, there's no cutout. There's actually the buttons are covered with the case. So that's a good news in case you want to protect them against scratches. Over here on the bottom, if we look closely, we have the cutout for the mic, the USB Type-C. Everything seems well centered. I like that. And here is for the speaker. So I like that there's three different cuts and not just one big one, so it protects a bit better. On the other side, we only have the power button here. It's the same thing as the volume button. It's covered and it's very easy to click. I don't need more effort than when the case is not on. So that's a good news. Very easy to click and operate. And on the top over here, obviously we don't have anything. On the back over here, we can see that it's compatible with MagSafe. I'll test it just in a few seconds. And we have the cutout for the camera. And I don't know if you see, there's a slight bump right around where the square of the camera is. So when you lay it down, your lens are not touching the surface. It's mostly just the surround silicone that they made here for the case. So that's a good news, because those cameras on the iPhone 15 are protruding a bit more than the other ones. If we switch to the front, we have a very mini cutout over here for the speaker. And otherwise, we can see that the whole frame over here is sticking out. So if you like to put your phone like this, well, the screen won't be affected. Now, I never dropped my phone while using this case. I only had this case for about 3 days now, but I'm sure it will protect it well, because these, as you see all around, are sticking out quite further than some other cases that I've used in the past. So if it falls on the corner or like this, I'm sure it will catch the asphalt or the surface before the screen can crack. But yeah, this is to be seen, honestly. Now let's check the MagSafe feature, because I guess most people will get this one because of that. So over here we have a Anker MagSafe charger that I've used in the past with my other iPhones. Always worked well. Let's see how well. Oh yeah, it's very solid over here. We can see I even put some pressure here. Oh, and yeah, the case definitely, the magnets are very strong. Let me do it again. Yeah, it clips very well. Let me try to do it in the wrong spot and then just glide it. Yeah. So I can say for sure that even with this case, the MagSafe feature works the same way as you are expecting it to work without the case. So that's a good news. Now, another thing that I cannot test is that they say that this case has a yellowing resistance, because we all know that the problem with transparent cases is that they get yellow over time. Now, I won't mind if it gets yellow after a year or so, but I know that some of them are getting yellow only after a few months, or other brands that I tried in the past. So I'm really curious how well it will hold over time. I'll try to give you an update if I remember to do so, to tell you if after a few months everything is still fine. Usually it gets yellow on the sides and then the whole case goes yellow and you need to change it because it's quite ugly at the end. But yeah, otherwise quite satisfied. I like that it's clear. We can clearly see the Apple logo and every other details of your phone. So I hope this video was useful. If so, please leave a like. I'll put a link in the description if you want to get one of these from Amazon. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.